himself.
I know your concerns, but trust me, he's a good lad.
Charles Dickens.
If you say so. In any case, I have no time to look for him. I'm assigning the last few constables to their posts.
Cool. That piece of paper that has nothing to do with anything. I'm gonna go this way. I can't go that way. God damn it. Still won't let me run. Let me run. Yeah, I'm trying to meet Ingrain. I want to say Ingrain for some reason. I got any milk for me?
Everyone to remain inside their house.
So you've spoken with them?
Not directly.
Then how can you assure me they're safe? What if our daughter wanders outside? What are we to do then?
Is that Laura Bailey? Sounds like Laura Bailey. Can I get through here? I cannot. Since 1812.
He has asthma.
Are you a doctor, Mom?
No, but my father is. I've seen plenty of people struggle.
Father's a doctor. Don't you tell her what to do. Liquor, yes, liquor, yes. Drink it. Drink it. Drink it. I don't want to leave it. Whee. Look at that wrist motion. God damn it. Can't even take that with me.
Galahad.
I want a fucking drink.
See that you cordon off the entire district, and do it quietly.
Yes, babe. I mean, ma'am.
How did you arrive here so quickly?
Skill, love.
Leapt
I must
over
admit,
buildings.
you do move fast for a man of your age.
No one cares to be reminded of
I'm
his
32. Fuck you.
My lord, this damsel would never be so callous as to do such a thing.
Sure is he. Would you ever?
I'm gonna hit that one day.
Bedlamites running amok. Percival thinks it could be a rebel subterfuge. Let's
Your
hope you
neck.
haven't lost your edge.
Remember who trained you?
He was the best. In his day.
Was.
You're still pretty good.
I'm still 32.
Yes, ma'am.
Ingrain, come in.
Acknowledge, Percival.
Multiple escapees spotted at the east entrance of the United India Underground Station. Intercept with caution.
Understood. Come on,
Can I
Gray.
shoot some fucking werewolves
move.
already? Oh, now I can run. Why are you not running? God damn it. Okay, cool. So she gets to run, and I have to slow... There we go. There you go. Good job. Now they allow me to run. God damn it.
Look. Once we're inside, don't let anyone else through.
Sure you don't need help, love?
Do you mean a strong man to take control of things?
That's right.
Just stay out of our way. I'd hate for you to get shot by mistake.
Trouble.
I'll do it now for
The
you.
usual trigger-happy mercenaries.
The United India Company prefers its minions enthusiastic.
The last thing we need is a band of hired guns causing more havoc. I've told them to remain on lockdown.
Let's go kill some frick things. I just ran through her. We were one person for a moment. Looked like heaven. Or like sex. Either one. It'll make you feel like an old man in this game. God damn it.
Galahad, take cover!
Fuck that shit. God damn it. I'm trying to fucking take cover.
Let's get to work.
Yeah, let's shoot him in the fucking face. I want my Tesla gun. God damn it. Oh, headshot. Oh.
Down.
Let's reload.
Shot him in the foot.
We're clear.
Move up.
Can I steal his gun? Can I steal his gun? Totally steal. No, I want this gun.
Get out of here! Find some weapons! You two! Get your asses over here! I need help! Come on, go!
How come she gets to use her Tesla weapon?
Bastards!
A rifle would be more appropriate.
Thank you.
Escapee down!
More escapees coming from the alley.
Someone heading for the atrium.
What's your aim?
I didn't shoot you. You want your fucking aim? Infinite health gain. No. I thought I killed you.
Street clear. There are more in the courtyard.
Let's hold the stairs.
Ha! Shotgun, nice. Damn it.
Escapee neutralized.
Shit!
I swear I'll blast his head into goddamn mash! Help!
Damn it!
Shit.
Hey, back off!
Really? Huh. No, we don't. Ah, nice.
They've locked the door. I can hear more commotion inside.
Bring it over. Shit.
Hurry. More bedlamites inside.
Oh, now you let me do a thing.
Gun! Take the shot.
Or fucking don't. Thanks for taking the shot for me, sweetheart.
Izzy! Are you alright?
Damn it!
What the fuck are you drinking? Imagine a fucking bullet healing
They're
pill?
slaughtering them. Ready?
Let's get rid of this scum.
Let's do this, Izzy.
Smoke grenades.
What?
Right.
Did you say smoke grenades? Shit. I have fucking smoke grenades? And... right at your face.
Alright. Let's go.
Well, shit. That's my reaction to things. Use the smoke, or don't.
Smoke.
Oh, shit.
Get the booger!
I need to reload.
You filling ammo? Cool. Stop using this gun. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna shot you. Go ahead, babe.
The bloke's onto me! Watch yourself! Stop it, Bobby!
There were more on the level above. We need to get up there.
Got it!
Don't wait for me. Open the door already. God damn it. God, you're so slow. Let me in. God damn it.
We should clear the second floor.
Yeah, we know this. That's kind of why we're going there.
Everything to your liking thus far?
Quite.
Yes, actually.
Another ordinary London morning.
Indeed.